Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to use Google Maps offline. So open your Google Maps on the Android phone. So when you open, go to the profile logo icon on the top right corner and click to offline maps. So when you click to offline maps, select your own map. So you will be selected the location where you can go. So I will select this location, Lama Iqbal International Airport. So it will be downloaded automatically. You see on the below downloading the percentage. So it will be 48 and it completes 100. So remove the all, keep the update to this map. So when it's update 100, so you will be clear the all apps like map apps and start again to. So now I will off my internet connection data. So I switch the off internet connection data. So I will now go on the Google Maps again and open the profile icon on the top right corner. So and go to offline maps. So my downloaded maps are here. So I will click it. So now it will be running without internet connection. So you will see I will zoom and in out and right left location from my thumb. So this is how to use. You see my internet connection is off. So and no Wi-Fi is connected to my phone. So offline map, this is it will be downloaded and I can use it without internet at anywhere for which I saved locations on my phone. So this is how to use Google Map on Android. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.